Hey everyone, I just wanted to record a little tutorial on how to use this Cami extension that I was telling some of you guys about last week when we were in our Google Hangout together for the FAS class. So I posted this on the Google Classroom, and so I wanted to kind of show you how you could kind of load it into your computer and also use it for any sort of PDF documents that you might get from some of your teachers. I know that some teachers already are sending out PDFs. I think Mr. Trout does that, and I believe even Miss Cooper does it as well. So I think this could be helpful. But before we even do this, I need to make sure you guys understand that this is an extension on Google Chrome. So if you have one of the school issued Chromebooks, or if you just have any PC, you can easily get the Google Chrome web browser. And so you need to download that because this is the part of that. It's not just a part of, you know, the regular PC web browser, which is down, which I think looks a little different than that. So I think this is the one. It used to be Explorer, but now it's something else. I'm not sure what they did. Anyway, so once you have Google Chrome, that web browser, you click on this extension that I gave you in Google Classroom, and that'll take you to the Chrome Web Store. And so basically, it should be the way it looks. Basically, the only thing you really have to do is hit this Add to Chrome button. I already did that, so I'm not going to do it for you, but basically that's all you have to do. And once you do that, it'll automatically be available for you. So then you can close that out after you've downloaded that as an additional extension. And then let's say you had an assignment from Mr. Trout, which I know you do. So I'll just show exactly what that looks like. So you're in government currently, and he said that, okay, well, we want to not only read chapter 3 workbook, but you also have to take the test. Well, the test is in PDF. So let's open it up and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. So instead of having to print this out, if you don't even have that option, or if you do have that option and would rather not, all you have to do is pull it up like this, and then you'll notice there's nothing up here because this is where you're going to open it with. So then you go over to these three dots, you say open in new window. You click that, and now it'll pop up and it'll look like this, and it'll have this little caret. So once you've downloaded Cami, if you click that, that becomes an option, annotate with Cami. And so I'm going to click that and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. All right, so it's loading up. No thanks. So here's your document, and here are a whole bunch of tools that you can use in order to fill in the answers. And then once you've filled in the answers, you can then download it and download it onto your computer, and then upload it on through the Google Classroom and turn it in for Mr. Trout. I would say this is the best option, having this text box selected, and then you just basically select an area like this. Yes, you'll have to create a copy if it says that, because looks like Mr. Trout doesn't want you to have permission. So we'll create a copy of it, and then we'll be able to edit. So here we go. So, and I just basically did this already. I already had this saved just to make sure I knew exactly what I was doing, but I'll just show you again. You have a text box, you select an area that you want it to appear, and let's position it a little bit better, and then you can type. So for this, the answer would be D. And if you have a longer responses, you can of course stretch it out and kind of, make it and play with it however you want it and reposition it on the page however it is you want. And so this automatically saves, and now I can save it and it will look like this, and then I'll upload that from my computer. So that's basically it. So I encourage you guys that if you're having trouble printing, or it's hard to get this stuff done because of the technology or where you're at, try to use something like this, because this can help and make it easier for you. All right.